Hello and warm welcome to our show. Today we have Mr. Harbhajan Singh Sidhu, Judicial Member ITAT New Delhi. Sir, welcome to our show.
Thank you.
Sir, our first question is, what is faceless assessment?
Honorable Shri Narendra Modi, the Prime Minister of India, inaugurated National E-Assessment Center that is for the benefit of the department as well as for the assessee. In this e-assessment, there will not be any personal appearance of the assessee before the assessing officer. All assessment will be completed by the National E-Assessment Center, not by the assessing officer. Assessee will not appear before the assessing officer, and the assessing officer also does not know who is his assessee. This is faceless assessment.
So sir, what is the need and benefits of faceless assessment?
There are so many benefits of the faceless assessment, especially to the assessee. Now the National E-Assessment Center will complete the assessment, and to assist the National E-Assessment Center, there are regional E-Assessment Center, and to assist the regional E-Assessment Center, there are other assessment unit also in India. Now in this E-Assessment Center, or we can say that faceless assessment, there is no need to the assessee to appear before the assessing officer. Similarly, the assessing officer also does not know who is his assessee. Therefore, now so many benefits. Supposing one senior citizen has been called by the assessing officer to appear before the assessing officer. Now in these circumstances, under the faceless assessment, senior citizen need not to appear before the assessing officer. Similarly, supposing one assessing officer summon one lady to appear before. Generally, earlier they are calling the lady who is assessee to appear before the assessing officer for give some information or give some statement. Then now under the faceless assessment, there is no need of that assessee lady to appear before the assessing officer. Supposing one person is not feeling well, he is ill, medical not fit. Now he should not appear before the assessing officer. Only the National E-Assessment Center will issue notice under section 143(2) of the Income Tax Act 1961. That will be issued to the assessee through the assessing officer.
So sir, what is the process of it?
Generally, earlier the assessee filed its return of income under section 139(1) of the Income Tax Act to his assessing officer. Now the assessee will file return, but that return will be processed by the National E-Assessment Center only. National E-Assessment Center will issue notice under section 143(2), and in response to that, assessee will file reply, and reply will go to the National E-Assessment Center. If any query is needed, then again National E-Assessment Center will ask any question, any document, any information, not through his assessment officer, not through his assessing officer. Only everything will be called by the National E-Assessment Center, and assessee will give his reply to the National E-Assessment Center. If any help is required from the regional E-Assessment Center or the assessment unit, only the National E-Assessment Center will call, and assessee will give all information to the National E-Assessment Center. Finally, the National E-Assessment Center will complete the assessment after adopting prescribed procedure under the law, draft order, extra opportunity of hearing by video conference only. Then National E-Assessment Center will complete the assessment, and finally will send to the concerned assessing officer for implementation. This is the procedure.
Sir, what is the process of appeal of this faceless assessment?
That the appeal similar, almost the same procedure but faceless. Earlier, the assessee filed its appeal before the London First Appellate Authority against the impugned order. That is the assessment order. The assessee will file appeal before the London First Appellate Authority. That the proceeding of the appeal is also faceless.
So sir, being a judicial member, what is your view of it?
I, being a judicial member, I have read about this faceless assessment and the authority who is playing role in this faceless assessment. I am of the considered view that this faceless assessment is having so many benefit, mainly to the assessee. Assessee, the harassment of the assessee, there is no harassment of the assessee. Appearance, no appearance of the assessee. Assessee can save the time. Assessee can save the money also. There are so many risks in the way also when you are going to the office of the income tax department. So in the end, I can say very useless. This step taken by the government is very useless. In my view, it should be taken earlier. It should be taken earlier, but now at this stage the government has taken. I appreciate the action of the government, and this is very benefit to the assessee as well as to the department also.
So this was Shri Harbhajan Singh Sidhu with us talking on faceless assessment. Stay tuned with us for more detail and news. Thank you.